Mama wakwaba aha eye GCN page so meeting ede Adjoa search and then the day kan ya we dey ehwe me a mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. We are now don sa emia bell ne so we be notification and sa news e dey betun bia we be bi atie anase we be bi ahwe e wo GCN page ha. Honorable Kennedy Akompreko e Japan atutu bi amane e Honorable Adjoa Safo a oye MP de ma kwabrenya dome wake kanadwen e de ache ne yie papa na nsem a honorable e keka kire honorable Adjoa Safo ina ne se aho Adjoa Safo na office Ghana hanome no eye wo papa eye apostle Kodwo Safo de ana enye ne dia e na afen so Ghana sika na editu awuka enti bebe wakotene bia bomodin se wo beba Ghana ne waba be ye adwuma because who knew right se Ghana fo akogina ewie ma asala de ama honorable e kire se obeye campaign kra de ma wa sisi amanfo e twa na da pa se ye wunti e na honorable Adjoa Safo ebeye MP na afi weja ye hoi omo honorable e kire se omo ya ne papa nti honorable e kire se who knew right bia se wo akotena be bia Bragana na betna Parliament House no mo ne wonya adwuma na de na wo de pressure ato MPP for so sa na adofu de nti honorable e keka nadwen e de ache honorable Adjoa Safo ye nyanim ensem a ekoso e wo Ghana hanom kame akoye se eye dome kwabrenya MP honorable Adjoa Safo e ma NPP for pressure e nya asem keto akra Ghana fo akosala akoto abama ma mi so ontina Parliament House si se wa akotena America e na o se ne mba yare nti o hwo mo ne mba yare o hwo mo no ntumi mbada ekeka kwa ahia oda so to America ho pese obeba Ghana ama na NPP fo mu hu ni omo ye kra adna ka se NPP fo no maka so mu hu omo anu Parliament House ho kame akwa se minority fo no ho mo adwen because I to say Parliament House ho no emu ache na wo so wa fimi na say decision bi akoso Parliament House na NPP fo ebre papa na eno honorable Kennedy Akompreko e Japan ende wa babon tabake kanadwen de ache honorable Adjoa Safo se de ente honorable Adjoa Safo eye senya ne se o se gender minister no ompe nemo wo pese omo ye no deputy majority leader e wo Parliament House enti na je se ni buafu a o ma Parliament House na no e na honorable Kennedy Akompreko e Japan e kire se wo ye den kwa ya ato ama wo gender minister no se de ama wo Bragana na bra Parliament House na be ye adwuma na Ghana no enye wo no abusuafo de na enti ensem honorable e de etudwa
going on both sides of the house to make sure that the numbers are kept at best even for whichever agenda either side wants to push. But very few people would think that there would be an internal attempt to cut down on the numbers, and that's why perhaps the absence of the Honorable MP for Dom Kwabenya raises questions, because some have suggested that she may be also playing a card that the rest of the public may not be seeing. Is it something
what card is she playing?
Well, the suggestion is that her long absence from Parliament could cause the numbers to go down on the NPP side of the House. So perhaps she's asking for something which has not been granted.
Yes, she says she wants to be a deputy majority leader. That woman has failed in life. Please, why are you saying, hey, a whole angel now demanding that she should be made a deputy majority leader before he comes? You should go to hell.
Did she write
yes,
this?
She has requested that. Yes, she has requested that.
And what was the response?
I have 2 kids with her, and therefore I never speak the truth. I will speak the truth, even at gunpoint. I will speak the truth and die. That is exactly what she's doing. Please.
Is this something that could cost her her seat? Because some have
course,
suggested
yes.
that
of course,
once
if
she's
you
not
don't come
returning,
to Parliament and you are on TikTok dancing, excuse me.
What's the exact surrounding
absences? It's not for Apostle Kodwo Safo. Get it straight. And I'm very furious because people are insulting me because I went there to campaign for him, for her. And my Kokwe. But
you campaigned against his son for that Dom Kwabenya
because Adjoa used my kids. The kids were calling, Daddy, please, you have to support mommy, Daddy. Do this, and now everybody is insulting me. Angel. Yeah, for doing that.
I was here first, no. Mamma was what a deputy no, but I couldn't want the man no man who's no. Was he no pay? Oh, was he no pay gender no 100? gender no omde manu no the first job baba ye any say school feeding director mami penimu ya correct kashiga na yire ya school feeding one na da no one wo born secretary wo born secretary we ya na president hey take time hey come on stop
freedom fighter contribute to tax bia o man tax e etua de bo man no mo se tax ne mu ntua tax no obi aso ntua say revenue no mo nyanya ni na no according to upon Kroma information say esan say ye nuanom NDC for twentro ama atonkrofo trim say enwo Ghana nti no mo transfer ayini na no dodo no akokanse o mo de dodo no a because the first 20 days no money 1 billion Ghana cedis and nanka timi say motivating ye very higher senketimi ko nanim within 1 year pekura na ka oman we anwenye nanka e betie free so but yenya heru na no wo a wotie mi no se bebe betie mi e bo audio no tie bi heru na edrusu ama mo enjoy a background say omotimi adi oman tie ye di oman na aban na bro ama sika nka wosenka wonya nanka wotimi di boa edi tua nurse foka a teacher foka akam e fense unemployed am wo fi omunye e fense na ko fo munye payment ni ade no nanka edi bi ko tuo muka no yenya NDC leadership I catch you say ya bo ban na bro masika nka wo se wonya na ode yesa enyuma no ya se no omani age but me ken obi ba yemi because oye NDC ni nti de make na ye yes no kan NDC say marina drus nto ba be tron kwasesem abayeme but na audio no bi etie bi ah wo no say e na nije na youth no a omu su say kom di omu ensa ma bo ma ba so say omu ya de say omatimi ase abai ni sikasem we say obe president yo in future tenu me kan say yare a eni eduro e ko ni ne maso mabusia so sankrofo na boss happen yare pa eni eduro e be ko mu no mabusia so say obi atra say ye wa hihihiem ni esere say ye betimanya bibidi aboa enchirima emabu enyumayefo yentimi nti omuka yie ene ade no sika ne ba anakatua ntumu ni ade nna no etimi akosoro no ye nye nkrofo medase ye nye nkrofo ama womu nso womu na womuti omanum yetime nye nkrofo ye nye nkrofo se ye mwa onu de tax ontua bi wahu here na reduce ontua tax otua tax ye van ye tete no ban tax ye sen at the same time on to fuel ontua like be ontua water be it is a we babunu na se nipa we si wo obo abro na wani age a owen be pa chew ani die kwan so o de obetime free so no wako se manka MPP ase ma mesrew me ka bofu ni na me pa chew mesrew ma me ani die kwan so me pa chew why mesrew me fere papa me mo din kra na amanfo but me nim mesrew ani die kwan so me pa chew bebre o hwe na se emwa wa kona kuti die e be boa why the maker no yisua de a ebebo mpacho ba abusuafo na wa hye ye ka de a ebetimi abo oman no forget about MPP make say me ka NDC totally na mum individuals na wo party no mu na omo bopo me ka say NDC fo nyina wo me say hari na Idrisu ene ni omukuru su omo boss apo nti se wantie me yi a mesrew bebre because se oye nipa sebe wo desumye so na